Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a contact form using AI contact form generator. So first of all, let me go in website dashboard and make sure that you have installed WPForms plugin. Let me scroll down and here you can see this one. You can install free version as well as pro version. So now let me go in WPForms and here you can see all the forms. Then to add a new contact form, simply you can go and click on the button add new. So now you can select different pre-built templates and you can easily create a contact form. So let me scroll down and here you can see these are the pre-built templates that you can choose, and you can easily click your contact form within a few clicks. So now if you want to generate your contact form using AI, then you can use this option. So now you can install it. So this one is the add-on that you need to install before creating a contact form using AI. And now here you can type what would you like to create. So for example, I type create simple contact form, then click here. Now here you can see a simple contact form is created. So if you want to remove any field, then you can go and again you can type, for example, remove phone number field, then press enter. So now contact form is updated according to our requirements. So after that, click on use this form, and now you can click on save button. You can easily customize and change anything. Simply you need to click on the fields, and after that, if you want to add this form on any page, then you can go on embed and you can use a shortcode. So after that, you can create a new page. For example, let me add here AI contact form. Then scroll down, you can easily add here shortcode. You can also add the forms from here. Then simply you can publish this page. So now if you want to view this form on the front side, then you can simply go here and click on open link in new tab, and here you can see this form is created using AI.